Hi, I'm Tiana. My mom works here at Mattel. As a Mattel kid, I see all the latest toys. I guess you can say I'm an expert in play. I'm here today to put the Mattel
Stick it here, and then you easily just pull this tab down and it removes it away and it doesn't damage the wall. So let's get started in putting this thing together. So each bracket has a letter that corresponds to one on the template. So just follow the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and you're ready to go. So again, pull the strips off, place them and align them onto the template, as so. One by one, A, B. So you can practice your ABCs while you're putting up your Hot Wheels track. So now that we're done with step 1 and 2 and 3, we're gonna remove the template. Okay, so now that the template's down, step number 5 is to assemble track pieces. So I'm just gonna grab these, snap them together. Can't have a Hot Wheels set without a loop. So again, it's super easy. Just follow the directions on the other side of the template. And here we go. So each piece fits into the brackets with the crosses that are on the bottom. So again, it's super easy. A 4-year-old can do it. I hope I can do it. So now that it's up on the wall, it's time to test this thing out. That was awesome. Let's do it again. This time let's go for the record jump. Down through the loop. Oh, here comes the jump, and oh! That is definitely a world record. Yellow driver, watch out.